Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about a important nutritional disorder, that is beriberi. In this video we are going to discuss about what is beriberi, why vitamin B1 causes beriberi, what are the types of beriberi, clinical feature of beriberi, treatment of beriberi and prevention of beriberi. Now first is, what is beriberi? Beriberi is a nutritional deficiency disorder caused by chronic deficiency of vitamin B1 or thiamine. Now, how vitamin B1 causes beriberi? Now, vitamin B1 is required by astrocyte for the glutamate uptake. If the vitamin B1 is deficient, then the astrocyte could not uptake glutamate. As a result, neuron death occur, and hence the peripheral neuropathy that we found in vitamin B1 deficiency. So, the vitamin B1 is required for the glutamate uptake of astrocyte. Now, what are the type of beriberi? Clinically, beriberi is categorized into three types: wet beriberi, dry beriberi, and infantile beriberi. In clinical feature, we will going to discuss the beriberi under these three type only. So first is the dry beriberi. In dry beriberi, mainly the nervous system of the body is affected, as a result of which following symptoms appear. Patient experience difficulty in walking. There is a loss of muscle function, tingling and loss of sensation over the digits, mental confusion, pain and vomiting. Whereas in wet beriberi, in which primarily the heart of the patient is affected and the blood vessel also, patient experience the following symptoms. There is a peripheral vasodilation, there is a swelling of leg, patient may often sit out at night while he was sleeping, also known as paroxysmal nocturnal dyspnea. Patient may also experience tachycardia and exertional induced dyspnea. So this is the clinical features of wet beriberi. Then lastly, the infantile beriberi. In infantile beriberi, there is often the cardiac involvement occur, as a result of which cardiomegaly is caused. Also there is cyanosis, dyspnea and aphonia, that is child wanted to cry but could not cry with loud voice. And invariably the infantile beriberi, if left untreated, prove fatal. So these are the clinical feature of beriberi. Now the treatment. With regard to the treatment, there are two dose protocol. First, for the milder variety of beriberi, 5 mg per day vitamin B1 tablet is given until all the signs and symptoms disappear. And if the case is severe, for the severe one, 10 mg per day of vitamin B1 is given. So for the milder variety 5 mg, and for the severe variety double of the milder one, that is 10 mg per day, till the sign and symptom disappear. And lastly, the prevention of beriberi. In prevention of beriberi, it is to be mentioned that the vitamin B1 deficiency is characteristically found in the Asian people, especially the middle class people, who tend to eat polished rice as their main staple food. What happens is that the rice in raw form have a thin outer coating that make the rice little bit reddish or palish, but that coating is very rich in vitamin B1. And what happened is that to make the rice look white and glossy, this outer coating is removed, as a result of which rice become very much presentable and beautiful, but it become deficient in vitamin B1. And if a section of population who take rice as their main staple food and also avoid some other food that we're going to discuss here shortly, do not take those food, then they become the victim of beriberi. Now, what are the other food apart from this unpolished rice? Especially, they are the leguminous vegetable such as pea, bean, etc. Secondly, the enriched bakery. Thirdly is the meat, especially the organs of the meat. And then the green vegetable, fruits, milk, etc. are also found to be rich in vitamin B1. Now, these are the dietary deficiency, and there are another variety that have been found that prevent the vitamin B1 absorption in the intestine, and that are arsenic poisoning and chronic alcoholism. So in this patient, though they have a high level of vitamin B1 in their blood, still they suffer from beriberi because the intestine is unable to absorb vitamin B1 because of arsenic poisoning or chronic alcoholism. So this is another important cause of beriberi. With this, we concluded our discussion on beriberi. Hopefully you have been benefited. Thanks.